Hey, can I be real with you for a sec? Sometimes it feels like everyone else has been investing since their 20s, and here you are, thinking maybe you missed the boat. I've felt that way too. But here's the good news, it's not too late. Your best financial chapter? It can start right now. This isn't about playing catch-up, it's about making a comeback. And today, I'm going to walk you through how to do exactly that. Sound good? Let's jump in. Step 1. Own your starting point. No shame, just power. All right, first things first, let's get clear on where you're actually starting from. I know this step can be uncomfortable, but trust me, it's important. Grab your phone or a notebook and let's write down what you've got. Your savings, maybe a car, a house if you have one, any investments. This is your assets list. Next, look at your debts, the stuff you owe like credit cards or loans. I'm going to be honest, no judgment here, just facts. Now, subtract those debts from your assets. That's called your net worth. If it's a negative number, don't freak out. That's just your starting line. Think about it like a comeback game. You're in it now. Also, take a peek at the last few months of your spending. Download your bank statement or look at your app. Split your spending into essentials, rent, food, bills, then the fun stuff like eating out or shopping, and finally, those sneaky hidden leaks like subscriptions you forgot you signed up for. Just being aware of this is powerful. It's like shining a flashlight on where your money really goes. Step 2. Build your comeback budget. Freedom over restriction. Now that you know what's happening with your money, let's talk about how to make it work for you with what I call a comeback budget. No scary spreadsheets or cutting out all the fun. This is about freeing up cash to grow your wealth without feeling deprived. Here's a simple way to think about your monthly income. About half to a bit more goes toward essentials like rent, bills, groceries. Try to see if you can save here without making your life miserable. Maybe switch providers or call for a better deal. Next, you need to put at least 10% into investing. This is your comeback fuel, the money that's going to make your future shine. Set aside 5 to 10% for savings, emergency funds or goals like a trip or a home. And most importantly, let yourself have 20 to 35% guilt-free spending. Please like and subscribe if you like the videos and share with your friends and colleagues. This is your joy money. Eating out, hobbies, whatever you love. One trick? Automate your investing and savings. Make it so the money moves out without needing to think about it. That way, you're building wealth on autopilot. Step 3. Claim your free money. Your employer's match is waiting. Okay, now here's the low-hanging fruit. Your employer's 401k match. If you've got this perk and aren't maxing it out, you're basically leaving free money on the table. For every dollar you put in, your employer matches it. That's like an instant 100% return. Wild, right? An important note to bear in mind here is that you may be looking to ensure that your investments align with your personal or religious beliefs by avoiding investing in companies engaging in interest-bearing activities or are involved in sectors such as alcohol, tobacco, or gambling. Some 401k plans offer self-directed brokerage options which allow participants to choose their own investments and potentially invest in funds or ETFs aligned with their beliefs. So go log into your account right now and bump your contribution up by just 1%. Don't think, just do it. Your future self is going to thank you. Step 4. Invest without stress. Simple, steady, smart. Now, investing late doesn't mean jumping into risky bets or trying to time the market. That's a fast track to stress city. Instead, look into something called target date funds. They're basically investing on autopilot. You pick a fund based on when you want to retire, say 2050, and that fund automatically changes how your money is invested as time goes on. More stocks when you're younger, more bonds when you get closer to retirement. It's like setting it and forgetting it. No guesswork, no stress. And over time, even a few $100 a month can grow way faster than you might think. Step 5. Supercharge your comeback. Boost earnings to build wealth faster. Last but definitely not least, earning more money. Yes, saving is great, but there's only so much you can cut. The real secret sauce? Making more. If you've been holding off on asking for a raise, now's the time. Most people don't ask, so you're ahead by just trying. Come prepared with what you've done and what salary range makes sense. And if a raise isn't happening, think side hustle. Use whatever skills you have: writing, designing, consulting, coaching. There's tons of ways to make extra cash. Imagine an extra $1,000 a month invested regularly. That's a game changer for your comeback. All right, let's wrap up. Your comeback starts today, not next week, not next month. Right now, drop your age and the words "I'm on my comeback" in the comments. Let's build a community proving it's never too late to build wealth. If this helped you out, hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more simple, doable tips like these. Remember, your best financial chapter is waiting. You've got this.